Hello everyone, so for today's video is we're gonna going out for a family date. So while I'm in the car, we're on the road trip right now. So this road is we gotta going to buying gasoline for our car because we gotta going to vacation for 1 week. So we prepared to having gasoline to our car. So yeah, and then after that we're gonna be doing also KFC. No, we eating there for lunch, and this is the road going there. So it's like 10 minutes by car from our house. So look, we passed by with a lot of trees, a green color, and yeah, no traffic. So I like this one because no traffic and also good for surroundings. It's a color green, and yeah, and they have also a fabric here, Fabrica sa here near in our house. So yeah, this is good, and yeah, no traffic again, and it's perfect. My farm driver hobby doing this drive. So now we gotta go into La Rotunda, means going to the left side, La Rotunda in Italiano, and yeah, and look the color of the sky. It's so nice, and yeah, I want to show you the roads. Now we almost arrived. So this is Binit here in Binit Mall here in Kanto. Kanto is another city or another. So this one is for breastfeed. So this is a room for the breastfeed here in Italy. So in the Binit Mall there is a breastfeed area also. If you are not shy to do breastfeed when you're baby, you can breastfeed in the public, but you have also in the breastfeed area. And this is the escalator here in town. So we're gonna go into our car park, and there we are. My picture here. Take a picture, selfie, and of course this is the selfie time for me and photo because I like the roads. And this is the stone. This stone is €1. It's a shiny stone. And you need to pay €1. So I take a picture of this one because my dad loved to collect a stone. So this is the stone. Look, for €1 you have a one stone. Yeah. So this is a escalator. This is a escalator over here. And now we're going back home. So we go back to our house. We're done for our dating, family bonding. So yeah, we have a lot of big car over here.